Hi there, students. Verge. A verge is an edge, a border, a fringe. Sometimes when you're driving down the road, you'll see a sign that says, grass verges, the verge of the road, the edge. The verge of the lake. We sat on the verge of the lake. Or even as a verb, his land verges on my garden. It borders on. So, verge can be a physical border at the very edge. But we use verge much more commonly to talk about something that's very close to, similar to verge on. He is verging on a nervous breakdown. He's on the verge of a nervous breakdown. So he's about to have a nervous breakdown. If one more thing goes wrong, he'll have a nervous breakdown. The company is verging on bankruptcy. The situation is verging on the ridiculous. On the brink of, on the threshold of, on the point of change. Yeah, if there's any more, then the situation will change. This task verges on the impossible. It's almost impossible. I was on the verge of tears because I was so upset. This idea verges on madness, but it might work. We were on the verge of a disaster when my brother came in and solved everything. You could be on the verge of war or on the verge of a great discovery. So now the next question is, what about the origin? Well, there are two Latin words, vergo, meaning to bend or to turn or to incline towards, or verga, a rod or a stick. Let's see, historically, a verge was a rod that the Lord gave to a tenant, and the tenant had to hold the rod and swear his allegiance to the Lord. A verge, a bishop's rod as well, or even maybe a verger's rod. Yeah, there's a religious post called a verger. As well, in English, to verge can mean to slope or bend downwards slowly. And this is from the meaning vergo, to bend, turn toward, to incline. But to verge on, the verge, we most commonly use this in English meaning on the edge of, on the threshold of, on the brink of. Notice as well, verge is neutral formality. I think you can use this in an informal conversation in the pub, and you can use it in a formal conversation or a formal written document. So, the verge, the edge of something, the grass verge of the road, and then to verge on, to almost be. This situation is verging on the ridiculous. He was on the verge of bankruptcy when he won the lottery. So to be on the verge of something, to be on the point of something happening. So there you go, verge. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Verge.